Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to remove extensions on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To remove extensions, simply open the Chrome browser. Here on the address bar, click on the extension icon, then click on Manage Extensions. And here click on My Extension. And here you'll find all the extensions that are installed on your Chromebook. If you don't get extension icon on the address bar, then you can simply visit chrome://extensions and it will open the page. Here simply locate the extension you want to remove, then click on Remove button, and here you will get a pop-up to remove the extension. Simply click on Remove and it will be removed from your system. Similarly, you can remove other extensions. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.